What did I get at Albrook? So I went to this place, Campion. They have a lot of cheap stuff there. But again, the price cheap, the quality is going to be cheap as well. So I got a shirt for my nephew. Of course, I have to buy something for my nephew. Have to buy something for my nephew. And this was like $6. Right? And then I got this pajama set. Pajama set was also like $6 for the set. This is how it look. It says sweet sweets. The material feel good on this, not going to lie. The material feel good. And this is the bottom for it. Right. No. And I also got a key ring that says D and it says Panama. Right? And I got leggings. Long leggings. I think this is spandex and polyester, so you know, say when you're sweating at this, the sweat are gonna stay. Certain materials, you must know that about certain materials. So there's that. But I wanted to test it out regardless. So this is what I got from them. And I also got, oh my god, I want to sleep so bad. So I went into Costco, right? Costco, everybody's hyping up Costco. They have cheap stuff again, but the quality, I don't know how I feel about the quality. So because I love Panama, the Panama bag, right? And it comes with a zipper, right? And also there's a lot of dust floating around right now from these stuff. And I got snack. So this is Samba for my nephew and I to share. This one, this one more that, and one more, like 3 of them. So, and I got a face mask. Brighten, it's kiwi, and it's instantly glows, brightens, and even skin tone. I am falling asleep right now, but I want to get this out of the way. And I got this cute dress. This dress was like $8, right? The material is not bad on it. This is how it looks. It's long. It's of a lavender type, a lilac type color, and I guess this will be the front of the breast part. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but so this will be the front part, and then the back open as well. I'm gonna have to put it on.